Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is our trip to Kashmir. We traveled in March. You can also watch how safely we traveled with our new airport rules.
Now we have entered into the airport, Rajiv Gandhi Airport in Hyderabad. So we just got our check-in done.
Near check-ins, there are boxes drawn like this for social distancing. So we can carry two luggages or two bags, which is one is handbag and other one is a check-in luggage. So the check-in luggage has to be 15 kg per passenger and the handbag must be like 7 kgs per person. If it exceeds 15 kgs, then additional charges are applied like 400 per kg.
So we now have completed our handbag checks. Now we should wait for our flight.
Near our terminal, they have provided masks, sanitizer sachets, and face shields. So that is our flight. Our flight from Hyderabad to Delhi was at 10:30 p.m. and from Delhi we have a connecting flight. My brother is in a sleeping mode. We reached Delhi at 1 a.m. and our connecting flight to Srinagar was at 6 a.m. As it was midnight, we didn't go into the city but took rest at airport.
So we have landed in Delhi, Indira Gandhi Airport. So the first flight after quarantine is very good and it was very safe as well. So now next flight is to Srinagar.
So this is early morning 5:30 a.m. and our flight is on time. The weather in Delhi was very cool compared to Hyderabad. You can see the flight to Qatar and the left one is our flight to Srinagar. And here is my brother.
Hey Jit. Hello. Going to?
So here also they have given the masks, face shields and sanitizer sachets, but the people who are sitting in the middle, they have to wear the PPE kit, so that is also provided by them only. Usually we give these kind of opportunities to the younger ones in a family, in every family. So here my brother is wearing PPE kits. Oh, so bad.
प्रिव्यूअर्स कोरोना रोग के वर्तमान खतरे को देखते हुए हम सभी अतिथियों से निवेदन करते हैं सामाजिक दूरियों का पालन करें फेस मास्क
Now our flight got started and we are traveling towards Sun. As the Delhi airport is a larger one, you can find a lots and lots of flights or aeroplanes parking over there. And now we are ready for takeoff. I literally love takeoffs. Srinagar is just 1 hour and 1.5 hour from Delhi, so within half an hour or 45 minutes you can find out these literally Himalayas. You can see from top. If you are planning to Kashmir, you have to take the morning flight only. So you know why? Why? Because to see the heaven on earth. Yes, because we all may never climb the Himalayas, but you can just see the top of Himalayas from flight, and that's it's such a beautiful moment. And coming to me, I'm unable to express the happiness which I felt during watching this beautiful scene, like beautiful Himalayan mountain ranges. As we are traveling to Kashmir, we'll know a few, historical things about Kashmir. First of all, how it got its name. According to folk etymology and from Sanskrit, Ka means water and Shimira means desiccate, which means like dehydrate or freeze. In the Rajatarangini, a history of Kashmir written by Kalhana in the mid 12th century, it is stated that The Valley of Kashmir was formerly a lake. A valley between the Great Himalayan Range and the Pir Panjal mountain range, Kashmir is a place of beautiful simplicity and pristine natural beauty. Kashmir has a variety of terrains like ranging from lakes, snow-capped mountains, coniferous-kissed hills to glacier-fed rivers. Now we'll get landed in Srinagar, which is the largest city and the summer capital of Indian Union Territory of J&K.
You guys, now in Kashmir, we landed in Srinagar International Airport, which is there. You can see. And now we are going to our hotel where we have booked rooms. It looks like it's looking like sunny, but also there is very cool air coming on, and my hands are getting freeze sometimes. So, so this is March, first week of March. So the weather is cool. So the COVID is not yet vanished in India. So they have done some COVID tests. And it's going on.
Mostly we combinedly hear this name, Jammu and Kashmir. Southern part is called as Jammu and the northern part is called as Kashmir. So Kashmir is almost the border. All the tourist places in Kashmir like Srinagar, Gulmarg, Sonamarg and Pahalgam are safe to visit. They said that no one attacks to any tourist in Kashmir and they respect tourists as the god. March to August is the best time to visit Kashmir, often called the heaven on earth. Yet not all seasons are best in terms of visiting due to it being a cold region. Two best seasons to visit Kashmir are like spring, which is March to early May, and summer, which is early May to late August. So firstly we are going to Shankaracharya temple, which is also known as Jaiteshwara temple. It is situated on the top of the Shankaracharya hill on the Zabarwan range in Srinagar. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple is at a height of 1000 feet above the valley floor and overlooks the city of Srinagar. Due to various security reasons, the phone is not allowed on the top of the temple, so I didn't capture any picture. And there are many checkings in between also.
So now here we are. So this is the Dal Lake. This is the Dal Lake where we went to Shikhaya. So now we are on Shankar Mat or Shankaracharya temple. So here, this one, there are 200 steps. So this is the whole Dal Lake.
This is the botanical garden and there is also Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden. But now the garden is closed as there are no flowers. They were saying that May is a good season to visit Tulip Garden. It is previously Model Floriculture Center, a tulip garden in Srinagar. It is the largest tulip garden in Asia, spread over an area of about 74 acres. About 1.5 million tulip bulbs in multicolor. Tulip Festival is an annual celebration that aims to showcase the range of flowers in the garden as a part of tourism efforts. I just want to give two tips mainly. Tip number one is that if you don't want to experience the uncomfortable cold, then make sure you carry some warm clothes with you, such as shawls, jackets, mufflers, mittens, and socks. And the second one, even though it's a cold region, and cold during daytimes, don't forget to use sunscreen and lip balm to prevent the dry skin. So guys, this is not the end of the Kashmir vlogs. There are more videos to come on Kashmir tour, what all we visited over there. So like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon